Now here's some motivation for you viewers out there.
It's very simple to make $100,000 a year.
All you gotta do is make $300 a day and you'll make over 6 figures a year.
Yeah, so that's just breaking it down. And when you think of it like that, really, $300 a day seems doable.
Especially in the trash business, it ain't hard to do. So keep that in mind, and that's the motivation of the day. Make them 6 figures, guys. What's going on, all my hustlers and grinders and go-getters? We're back with another video.
And this video is going to be different because we're doing this as a live premiere. So we're going to be watching this video along with you. So feel free to chat, feel free to ask questions. And during this video, we're going to ask lots of questions and feel free to answer them.
Now let's get this money.
So we are at the first job of the day, and do you answer scam phone calls? Because that's what this one was, and we answered it, and it landed us a job, and it's a full load this morning, at least.
Now here's the first job of the day. It's all this stuff right here. We got some bags that need to go, and also inside we got about a load to a load and a half. Now let's go check it out. We got this mattress right here that needs to go, and in the living room we got this couch right there that needs to go, that mattress, and that's about it.
So let's welcome our newest channel members, Akil Slater, John D, and Greensway Junk Removal.
JoJo, what are you doing?
I'm making money, making videos, buying crypto, that digital dough.
What the hell? That's awesome, babe.
Get
that money, girl.
That's what I'm doing today.
That's what's up.
Are you guys investing in crypto? Because I'm curious. I want to know.
So job is complete. It took about 20 minutes. It was less than what I thought. And how many people out there that you are doing jobs for are moving? Out here in California, what are people doing, JoJo?
People are getting the hell out of Dodge in California. Everybody's moving out of California.
I would say 25% of our business is leaving.
People that are leaving, they're going to Idaho, they're going to Texas.
Arizona, Oregon.
Yep, this person was going to North Carolina.
It's crazy out here in California. The gas prices, the house prices, the junk removal prices that we charge people to take their trash is ridiculous.
That's true.
So what's your prediction of the dump fee, JoJo? The mattresses were a drop off for free down the way, but what do you think for this load?
For this load, I'm going to say 95.
95?
Yeah.
I'm going to say 113. And let's see what happens.
What's your prediction of the dump fee?
Now, how many of you guys out there hit that customer with that price and they're like in sticker shock, like, oh, like you just stole their wife, ran over their dog, took their credit card and maxed it out. For real, huh?
Yeah, that it happens a lot. That I think, people, they'll hang up and they'll call around, and typically they call us back.
So it came out to $79 that JoJo Lena won. What the hell, JoJo?
Well, I won, but I was kind of far off. Did anybody guess closer than me? So we are here to pick up 6 couches, and I was wondering, how many couches have you picked up at one time?
So it ended up being 5 couches and not 6, and none of them are resellable, JoJo. No. Doesn't that suck?
It does, but that's okay.
Let's get to work.
So are you making some extra money flipping couches?
I know over here we do, but not today.
a warehouse, and they obviously sold egg chairs, which is super cool, and those things are very popular right now. And they have patio furniture. They have a huge selection of patio furniture. But this place is closing down.
Now, just like that, job is complete, and it took no time at all, JoJo.
No time at all, and she paid with a credit card. And I'm curious, how many of you accept credit cards? And what do you use as a card reader? Because we got ours from our bank, and we use Clover. What are you using?
And leave a comment down below. How many of you guys check the couch cushions for money? I've seen a couple quarters fall out.
They didn't fall out. They're in my pocket.
Are they really?
Yeah, they're in my pocket.
Awesome. So, JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this load right here?
The prediction of the dump fee on this load right here.
I'm going to say $78.
Yes. I'm going to say... Oh, that's hard. I'm going to say 68. And here's the money that was in the couch cushions.
You chancy as hell, girl. You cheap and you fancy as hell. You chancy, baby. Definition of chancy.
So my find of the day, I grabbed one of these because I'm always collecting change, and I'm going to fill this baby up, and I'm going to start with the 60 cents I found in the couch cushion. That's my contribution.
And here's my find of the day. Dry gin. And I don't even drink either. You might be drinking this at the Hollers Ball, guys. You never know. Brand new bottle. So look who won. It was 780 pounds at $60, JoJo.
Ooh, $8 off.
That's not bad at all.
That's pretty good. So our next job is a garage clean out. How often do you get phone calls for garage clean outs?
Now leave a comment down below how much room you think this is going to take up in the dump truck. And we also have this sectional couch right here that needs to go too.
So how good are you at the game of Tetris? Because I've discovered that being really good at that game will help you do junk removal better.
So about 20 to 25 minutes later, we got it all loaded up. Check that out. Now job's completed. I don't know what you guys guessed, but we got a full load out of that.
We did a full load.
So JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
This dump fee, oh, there's some heavy stuff back there. I'm gonna say 87.
87? I'm gonna say 112, and let's see what happens. So guess who won?
Wow, wow.
It was $97. I hate you. I'm just kidding. I love you.
So let us know if you want us to do more live interactive premiere videos like this one.
And we'll keep making them, and we're done for the day. And now it's time to put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. And we did 3 jobs and made some killer money.
We did. We made great money. It was kind of hot today, but now we've pulled up into our new home.
And leave a comment down below how many jobs you guys did today. And don't forget, we love all you guys.